Well, before we get started here, I had to show you my sweet little roses that are blooming and blooming and blooming and blooming, and they are so pretty. So let me know what you think about these. They're as sweet as they can be. Hey friends, this is Kathy, and you are watching Kathy at Home. Yes, I know I've been gone for a couple of weeks, but let me tell you what's been going on. Our 17-year-old little Doxy, Gertie, has been very sick, and she's got Cushing's disease, she's got dementia, and then we think she had an abscess tooth rupture, which I stayed up with her one whole night with that. And then Lily, our 12-year-old Doxy, got an urinary tract infection. So we have just had sick puppies every time we turn around. So we've been taking care of those sweet babies. And in between time, my daughter volunteered to babysit those little fur babies, and Steve and I took a quick trip to Colorado Springs, and so we were out of pocket for that. Then we came back, puppies getting sick again on us, so it's just been a crazy little time here, but everybody's okay. We're hanging in there. Puppies are making it. You know, when you have an old puppy, you just have to do what you have to do. So I apologize for being away for so long, and I appreciate all of you that have stuck with me. So thank you so much. I have the sweetest friends on YouTube. I just can't even emphasize that enough. I hear a lot of people talking about people that say nasty things and leave ugly comments, and I just have these sweetest people that have subscribed to my channel, and I love all my friends, and I thank you so much. So today I have been doing some rearranging, some changing, and I'm going to share with you my living room. It seemed so dark in there, and there was this really custom made piece of carpet that was a dark gray, and of course those walls are dark gray. I have also found a color that I want to paint them. It's a light, really pretty color gray, so that'll be an upcoming project, not right now. But with the dark walls and that dark carpet, and then I got another piece of another beautiful rug with flowers on it, but with a black background. And then that just seemed to weight it all down with my dark couches. It was just too much. So got rid of that funky piece of carpet, trashed it. I got a jute rug, a 9x12 jute rug, put that down, you know, cleaned the floor, got everything spick and span because it just seems so dirty and dark in there. I had another rug that was in my dining room, and I moved it into the living room, and it's a cream color. Then the curtains were a dark gray, and they came when we bought the house. So I switched those out, and I got some grommet topped shears, and I just am trying to get more light into that room. It just seems kind of dark. We also, our TV went out. We were just watching it one day, and it just went pop, and that was it. So we had to go out and buy a TV. So we bought us a big old TV. We never had a really big TV. We were always like, oh, we don't need a big TV. So we got us one. So that'll be in the video as well. But I've got my fall decor in the living room. I've also moved my mother-in-law's hutch out of the dining room and into this area that's sort of the kitchen, eat-in kitchen area, living room. It's all that open space. So I will show you that. Got it decked out for fall. And I hope you stay to the end. I appreciate all of you so much. Hope you enjoy the video and leave me a comment. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, please. It really helps out my channel. And give me a thumbs up. All those things help my channel out so much. So I appreciate you guys, and let's go check out the living room. Lots of changes. So here we go in the living room. I have moved some things around in the house, and where I had the love seat, I have moved a chest and another chair, so I'll be showing you that in a minute. Here's Miss Gertie. She is perking up, and we're so thankful for that. Bless her little heart. This is the area right next to the fireplace, and this table belonged to my great-grandmother, and so it's had a couple of birthdays. And I just put a couple of pumpkins on it. I got my blue and white containers out and got a couple of pumpkins at Walmart. Got some flowers from Home Depot, from Hobby Lobby, and kind of decked those out. I had this garland, but it only had the white pumpkins on it. I got it from Amazon. I guess it was last year or the year before. I don't remember. But I had some little pumpkins that clipped that I had got at Dollar Tree last year. So I just clipped those on. So we've got the white, the sage green, and sort of that soft orange on there. And I put some fairy lights up there. I got 2 brass candlesticks from Goodwill while I was in Colorado Springs. You guys know that Goodwill is my honey hole. So every chance I got, I ran down there to see if there was anything else. But those are beautiful brass candlesticks. Most of these things came from Hobby Lobby. I love the little squirrels. I think they're adorable. The Farm Fresh Autumn Harvest sign, I have looked at that for years, and so I finally broke down, got it 40% off, and I think it looks really cute up there on the mantle. Most of my blue and white has been thrifted, I must say, and I do love it, so I wanted to incorporate that into my fall decor. So that is the fireplace. Okay, so here are some new things in this room. This chair and this chest both belong to my great aunt, who I dearly loved, and so I love having that in the living room. Now, these are the new shears that I put up on the window, and I just think it just brightens and lightens the whole area up. But I just love how this looks. And I did get some more blue and white pieces out. I've got my mother-in-law's candlesticks. And look at those cute candles. I got those at Home Goods, and I thought they were adorable. So most of the florals have been thrifted. The greenery got from Hobby Lobby. So those are things that I already had. So I'm very pleased with this area. I think it looks really pretty, and just kind of changes the room up a little bit. There's our new TV over there. And then moving right along, this end table here, I've got it just a few little touches of fall here and there. But I wanted to show you, this is my jute rug, and then the rug I already had on top of it to kind of lighten up that floor area. So it looks so much cleaner and happier. I'm loving it. So this container here was thrifted, and I believe it's a Linux, if I'm not mistaken. And I've just filled it up with little pumpkins, different colors and textures. And then I got these lumbar pillows at Bell's, and they're velvet and they're black. So it was just, again, too dark. So I ordered these really cute pillow covers, and they were just a little bit longer than the pillows. So I did stuff them with some additional pillow fiber fill stuff. So I'm real happy with that. Love the little edging on it. It matches the little blankets that we like to use in here in the living room, because we actually live in this living room. And then over here, that tray was thrifted at Goodwill about a year ago. I've had that little blue and white container for a long time, but all of those fall colored hydrangeas, they were thrifted at Goodwill. I think they look really cute there. So that's the other end table on the other side of the couch. And then we've got the coffee table. And I've got my little vignette on a tray. And the sweet couple that sold us this house, that was in an adorable basket full of goodies that they gave us when we moved in. So then I have a book underneath, and this little squirrel is just too cute. He came from Hobby Lobby. He is new, and yes, he was 40% off. The little faux nuts inside, thrifted those at Goodwill while I was in Colorado Springs. And the acorn that you see there, the big one, that is from my friend Mary Lee. So I love to put that out. The little flower arrangement are just some flowers that I already had. And then this is our console table. See my new piggy plate? Oh, I love it. It's Fitz and Floyd. The large blue and white container on that right-hand side, I thrifted that while we were in Colorado. This ginger jar I got on shopgoodwill.com. It's an online auction, and I think it is adorable. And we, got that rooster theme that I like, that I get teased about. My family teases me about all my roosters. But so I'm pleased with how that looks. And then I had a larger table here in between these recliners. And so I moved it in a different room, and I just put out my little table that I thrifted at Goodwill last year. And I'm not really going to decorate that because it's really just a small enough little room for the remote and maybe a drink. And then we've got my mother-in-law's beautiful hutch, and that is one of the chairs that goes with the dining room, her dining room set. That is now mine. And I love that this is out where I can see it from the kitchen, and I've got it decorated for fall. A couple of my roosters on top. We've got a combination of things that I had and some thrifted items. That large tray, serving plate there was thrifted. The cute little 2 different prints of the pumpkins, those were Hobby Lobby on sale items. And look at these sweet plates I've got on either side of this pumpkin print. Got those at Goodwill while I was in Colorado. And there's my little piggy, and I love that little piggy so much. And then I've got my little weenie fall plate that I got from my sweet friend Mary Lee. So that is a look at the hutch. It makes me happy to be able to see it, that it's not off in the dining room where I can't see it anymore. And this is just a little overall look, you guys, at the living room. And believe it or not, that table that the TV is on, Goodwill, baby. Can you believe that? When I saw it, I couldn't believe it. I think I paid maybe $35 for it. Absolutely gorgeous. But, you know, we live here. This is not a museum. But I am pleased with how things turned out. And guys, I thank you so much for staying till the end and for watching. You guys take care, and you know I'm sending you a big old hug. Bye-bye, y'all.